A lot about Dogecoin has been in the air. However, as the times changed and as the Dogecoin community expanded, we started seeing some price actions that suggested that Dogecoin could become the coin of the future. What do you think about Dogecoin? Is it still in the game? Or was Dogecoin living all out from the tweets by Elon Musk? Stay tuned till the end of this video to find out all about it. Welcome back to another video on facts. Today, we will be looking into Dogecoin and if this coin will be able to touch the $1 mark in the coming days, weeks, months, or even years. We will be getting into the details of why we think this could or could not happen. However, before that, hit on the like button and also subscribe to this channel to learn the most about it. Also, allow us to mention that this video is not meant to be a piece of financial advice. We recommend all our viewers kindly conduct their own due diligence before making any financial decisions. It would be highly recommended to take advice from your financial advisor who has an idea about your portfolio. We would also recommend you keep in mind that cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile and, therefore, may go through huge changes in a very short span of time. This being the case, due diligence is an absolute mandate. Dogecoin lacks a fundamental stance. The root of this coin is based on a meme that went viral. The developers came up with the idea to mock the crypto community for an idea that did not have a fundamental basis back then. The prices of Dogecoin started increasing in a very rapid manner as a huge number of people started getting involved in cryptocurrency. Dogecoin was endorsed as the people's coin due to its low value, acceptance by the community, and the mass adoption that was going on a few months back. One of the major reasons for the acceptability of the coin is the involvement of Elon Musk. Elon Musk has been pushing the coin by a huge margin in the past. He could even push the prices of Dogecoin through a single tweet to his 55 million plus followers on Twitter. This was one of the major reasons why we saw the prices going up all the way without any forms of barriers in the way. If the growth continued throughout the market crash, there were high chances that Dogecoin could have become one of the top cryptocurrencies in the entire crypto market. Dogecoin has already been among the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world. We think that it has great potential to take up the biggest one in the market, that is Bitcoin, and therefore become the coin that would be used on a large scale, even for the daily payments that the investors will have to make. However, as the market took turns in between, we started noticing that a huge number of people lost the trust that they had in it, which resulted in the fall in the price of Dogecoin to a great extent. However, a huge part of the community kept pushing the coin higher and higher, which did bring back the hype to some extent, however, not to the fullest points. Given the fact that the coin is just a meme, we might be able to anticipate the growth that we could potentially gain from this coin. However, looking at it from a more technical point of view, we can claim that a huge part of the investment made by you will focus on something that may not be very well developed from the technological point of view. Despite the involvement of Elon Musk, we think that the development of the coin is still much less than the development that we may notice in a lot of other coins in the market. A lot of investors in the past have been claiming that Dogecoin is even riskier than the concept of cryptocurrencies as well, given the fact that there isn't much available about it when it comes to the technology of the overall tokenomic system. However, that was a totally different time from what we see in the market today. Dogecoin may turn out to be a very risky investment and could even lead you to lose all your investments if the prices fall off from the cliff. A few of the events in the market have been considered to be positive news for Dogecoin, which could very well be the opposite of it as well. One such example is when Robinhood crashed. This does indicate that there was a huge number of transactions being completed. However, it also asserts that something like this is very abnormal for even a very stable cryptocurrency exchange to handle. This clearly indicates that everything that has been happening was an action driven off by the hype of it and is therefore not reliable at all. Such growth in cryptocurrency is not what an investor would call a healthy investment. The Twitter posts made by Elon Musk and the rumors spreading around the world about Dogecoin being used to make transactions when human beings colonize Mars was always intriguing. This means that the value of Dogecoin is based on the words of not even a community, but on a very small group of persons or even a single person, that is, Elon Musk. Even though Elon has not been making many statements in that regard, there are high chances that he might get back onto the streak. We say so based on the charts that have been emerging up in the recent days or weeks. The present price of Dogecoin revolves around the 25-cent mark. Presently, the coin is doing more than 1% in the green, which means that we may see the prices climbing back up slowly. Now, let us look at a bit of the thing that has been going on with the coin in the recent past. As the factors started to play a major role in the prices, we started noticing a series of changes in the prices, which was not something that we expected to see. The price started to explode all the way through a gain of 28% in just a day. This happened on the 7th of August, which was still a long way far from the highest single-day spike that we noticed in the month of April 16. The increasing price streak has also been going on for cryptocurrency for a long time. The prices have been increasing for the past few weeks, which has been happening multiple times in the year 2021. This could indicate that the present year will be the one where the Dogecoin starts to recover and therefore gets back on the hunt to become the best cryptocurrency in the world. To add on to this, it was also noticed that the market is at the lowest FOMO levels compared to the same times in the previous year. Even though we didn't see many changes in the price from the 22nd July till the 4th of August, we could see some significant changes in the times coming after that. As the prices started to gain by over 28%, the trading level also went up to cross the 50-day simple moving average. This helped the cryptocurrency to look much more stable and therefore gain a lot more popularity than it already has been getting over time. Ever since we stepped into the month of June, we started noticing good weekly returns. This value was over 17% as per the latest values, and the same for a month was over 25.5%. This rise in the prices also helped the coin reach the 29.1 cent mark, which is something that was being looked at as a target by the last week of June. As of now, we can also expect the price to keep climbing and then reach the 41.7 cent mark in a very short span of time. We think that the support levels that we have to ensure that these price levels are achieved are around the 22 cent and 22.2 cent mark. It will be imperative for the coin to remain above the said mark, as it will supplement the climb to the 41.7 cent mark. One thing that is worth noting is that, for a coin that has been developing much faster than this in the past, this speed might not be good growth. However, at the same time, one thing that it has been able to grow is stability. Compared to the manner in which the prices have been rising in the past, the present rise is much more sustainable and, therefore, will last for a much longer duration of time. After this sudden fall in the prices, as the market crashed, the first week of August has been much more progressive as the prices have started to hit back up and the bullish movements for Dogecoin, which were long gone, seem to have returned. The community may soon acknowledge this fact, and you will yet again be able to see a lot of action coming in from the Dogecoin community that could drive the prices to a huge level. However, while we say that, allow us to mention that this will certainly be a much higher risk than the others in the cryptocurrency. Therefore, high due diligence is an absolute mandate. Before we end this video, let us get into the comment for the day. Today's comment is by Fohev, who says, "Dogecoin to the moon for average people can afford to invest." This is one of the main reasons why Dogecoin has been gaining popularity, as it allows people from all categories to participate and earn through investing in cryptocurrency. We hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more content. We will be back with more for you. Till we come back to you, keep learning all the facts.